Welcome back to our show, and now we will listen to the number 3, patient number 3 with his or her illness. His illness. Alright.
3.
Hello, come in. How can I help?
I've got an upset stomach.
Upset
How long
stomach.
have you had it?
Just a couple of...
Upset stomach means stomachache, alright? But it is worse than that, alright? In Vietnamese, it means Tào Tháo Rượt. A great word, alright? So, upset stomach, number 3. If anyone had that feeling really bad, right? I had that feeling either. Once I was in Da Nang, I ate spaghetti, and while I was at the Banana Hills, alright, it is a good place, quite a little cold, just like we are in Europe, yeah, in Paris at the winter seasons, and it's quite bad when I ate spaghetti. First, I ate spaghetti and it felt a little good at first. Then the second, at last, when I went back down to the ground, I had a little headache. Yes, a headache first. Then stomachache, and yeah, I had to go to the hospital during my vacation. Yes. No. I hope that this time I won't have to go to the hospital, because I will go to the other place. In July I will have a short vacation, and because it is summer, so you can go wherever you want, and don't be worried. You can go now. You can enjoy right now, because if you are students, if you are teenagers, you are still at the age of learning. You have to start school back to school at about at the middle of August. At the middle of August, yes, it is at the middle of August. Yes, and so you can go right now. You can go everywhere you want. Don't be shy. Just feel relaxed and go traveling. Okay, so because it is summer is short, just about two and a half months, and so just go and enjoy it, and maybe go and enjoy it right now. But not right now, because we are in the middle of a show. So if you finish the show, you can go to Saigon Center, Vincom Center, or everywhere in the District 1. Alright. The walking central of the city of Ho Chi Minh City. Alright. Go and take pictures with your friend. Grab your friends. Take your friends. Go somewhere else. Alright, so back to our lesson. When we have an upset stomach. Okay, so he has an upset stomach. Alright, and another symptom, what is it?
Of days.
Any other symptoms? Headache? Fever?
No, just my stomach. I feel sick too.
Can you remember
so he
eating
feels
anything
sick
unusual?
either. So number 3. Alright, so we'll listen to the patient number 4.
Anything else I can help you with?
Yes, is there a toilet?
How can I help you?
Oh, hello, doctor. I'm feeling really bad. I've got an upset stomach.
Oh dear, I'm sorry to hear
Okay,
that.
upset stomach.
Sit down and I'll take a look at you.
It started about a week ago. I had a really bad headache for 2 days.
Did you take anything for it?
Yes, just ordinary painkillers.
let me take your temperature.
It is high. Yeah.
38.9.
So it is high.
Yes, you've got a temperature.
Really?
So he has a temperature and an upset stomach. Oh my god, just like me when I was in Denmark. No. Don't want to talk about that again. Okay, enough. Alright, so we have finished the exercise number 3, page 40, and now we will moving on to the learner's box. Alright, right now, learner's box. Alright, so when we give advice to somebody, we'll use these phrases. We can use these expressions to give advice. Example like, I think you should, or I really think you should. I don't think you should. If I were you, I would or I wouldn't. It is second conditional. Alright. If I were you, I would. If I were you, I would not. Blah blah blah. Try to or try not to. Try to drink water a lot. Try to drink water. Try not to go to work during your headache, during your illness. Right? In your position, I would not. All right, I would. If I were you, just like the same as if I were you. In your position means I in your position, right? I would do what, I would not do what. All right, you need to. It is very important, or it is important to express the thing that for a must is very important, is very important, maybe like that, or it's very important not to smoke. Not to smoke during your illness. It is very important to give up smoking. All right, so like that. You must, very friendly. You must go out. You must not going out during your headache. All right, you must not go out during your headache. You must not eat food that is still ripe. Yeah. The best thing would be to do what plus verb infinitive. You really ought to do what? Alright. It would be a good idea not to or to do something. Right. So we have reading, we have read the learner's box, and now we will do the exercise number 4. What did they tell us to do? Exercise number 4. Read the information in the learner's box above. We have read it, or we have done it. Which of the expressions is used for giving very strong advice? Very strong advice. I think it is very friendly phrase. We have known them since season 1 maybe. It is you must or you must not. Alright, it is very express, very strong advice. Alright, you must stay at home. Something like that. In the season 1 we have talked about must not or have to, ought to, right? That, yeah, remember that? And now we'll talk about anecdotes, means they are giving advice. So you must stay at home, not to go out during your illness, during your headache. So you must or you mustn't will be the answer. All right, you must or mustn't. Alright, so we'll be right back to do the exercise number 5 on page 40. Don't go anywhere, we'll be right back soon.